All right, here we go. It's the IPL 2025 final. RCB and Punjab Kings at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. What a contest this promises to be. Two teams chasing for their first title and both absolutely deserve to be here. I've got to say, I do feel it is RCB's moment. The energy around the squad has simply been different this year. Virat Kohli has been in sublime touch. Josh Hazlewood has led the bowling attack incredibly well. And the whole bowling unit, for that matter, Bhuvi Kumar, Yash Dayal, Surya Sharma and Krunal Pandya have shown real bite. I do think that is the area where RCB might just have the edge. But you can't underestimate Punjab Kings. They'll take huge confidence from that fantastic win against the Mumbai Indians at this very venue. Shreyas Iyer as captain is very calm. Arya's fearless stroke play up front, Yuzi's spark, Josh Inglis's bravery. As a team, they've been sensational. It's going to be a battle of big moments, but my heart says RCB will win. Both teams will leave it out there on the field, of course. So strap in, folks. This is going to be special. I'm backing RCB to finally take the title. Enjoy the final with Wolves 7 Pay.